Ooh, what's this? What's in the box? What's in the box? Let's open up the box. It's another box with paper. Processed paper. And it looks like another box. Oh shit! Looks like another box. So what's in this box? Ooh, yes. Oh, it's time, baby. Oh, there's already a hole. Let me get this. Get off! Come on, you're blue balling me here. Yes! Babby, it is time! Hey everyone, welcome back to the Summer Random Dumbass YouTube channel. I'm the Random Dumbass, and today, as you might be able to see with all these parts, I'm building my computer today! Words do not describe how fucking excited I am for this right now. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna unbox my graphics card and then the time lapse will begin. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so let's unbox this bad boy. You might be able to notice I turned the lights on since... Shit, I probably should have opened this before. Sorry about my camera work, it's shitty. Here, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna put this back on the tripod. I'm not even gonna turn it. Alright, so... Alright. There we go. The GeForce GTX 1060 Founders Edition. There. Oh my god! Are graphics cards normally this big? The fuck? This is ginormous. Okay, now that I hold it up against my PC, I'm much more confident that it's gonna fit. Holy shit, this thing is massive. Okay, so that's unboxed. So let's just let's get this fucking thing started. Words don't. I'm so pumped right now. It ain't even funny. And that is that done. Jesus. Honestly, I don't think I've put more time into anything over the past, like, couple weeks, maybe even a month or two. In case you probably couldn't tell by my, me building it, I've never done this before. So, the fact that I managed to chug through and get through it is pretty good on my end. Yeah, it's good. To me, at least. Okay. So, I'm just going to seal this thing up real quick. And then I'm going to take a break before I fucking even try to test it. Watch, I did something wrong. I can fucking feel it. Honestly, that's just how this whole thing went for me. Anyways... That's this done. This is probably the most effort I put into a video in a while. By the way, if you can't see me, I'm sorry. I'm really tired. I can't just do that. No, but seriously, this is probably the most effort I've put into anything in a long time, so like, comment, subscribe, and leave me alone for a while.